morning. Today's Monday, April 27th. We're going to start with our rhyme recognition. Remember, I say it, you repeat it, and give me a thumbs up if it rhymes and a thumbs down if it doesn't rhyme. Black tack. Thumbs up, black and tack rhyme. Sheep shoe. Sheep and shoe do not end the same. Wool fool. Yeah, wool fool rhyme. Yes, less. Yes and less end the same. Good job. Sir, fur. Thumbs up. Great job. Okay, beginning sounds. I'll say them. You repeat. 9 next n. Ring, rise, push, pull, puh. Good job. Bike, best, buh. Lane, line, Okay, we're going to blend ours together. Cheetah, cheetah. Rhino, rhino. Zebra, zebra. Hippo, hippo. Monkey, monkey. All of those were animals, huh? Awesome. Okay, we're going to do our medial, our middle sounds. Remember, we're looking for the sound in the middle, up high. Ag, ah. Your turn. Good job. Et, eh. Ig, I. Ot, ah. Un, Okay, get your choppers out. Remember, I'll present and chop, and then you present and chop. Blanket, blanket. Pillows, pillows. Cozy, cozy. Slippers, slippers. Dreaming, dreaming. Good job. Second page. Okay, we're going to add our syllables together. We start with snow, add ing at the end to make snowing. Start with skate, add ing at the end to make skating. Start with sled, add ing at the end to make sledding. Start with fish, add ing at the end to make fishing. Start with freeze, add ing at the end to make freezing. Good job. Now we're going to delete part of our word. Start with careful, take away full, what's left? Care. Start with harmful, take away full, what's left? Harm. Start with grateful, take away full, what's left? Great. Start with joyful, take away full, what's left? joy. Start with helpful, take away full. What's left? Help. Good job. Okay, we have a new nursery rhyme this week. Remember, I'll say it first and you repeat. Ba, ba, black sheep. Have you any wool? Okay, that's all we're going to learn for today. Ba, ba, black sheep. Have you any wool? I'll see you tomorrow.